Hello students, today we are going to study about metals and non-metals. So firstly we are going to begin with physical properties of metals. Metals are solid except mercury. Metals are hard except lithium, potassium and sodium. Metals have metallic luster, luster meaning shine. Metals are malleable, can be beaten into thin sheets. Metals are ductile, can be drawn into wires. Metals have high melting points. Gallium and cesium have low melting point. They melt in the palm of the hands. Metals have high boiling points. Metals are good conductors of heat. Best conductor are silver and copper. Poor conductors are lead and mercury. So best conductor of heat are silver and copper, and poor conductors are lead and mercury. Metals are good conductors of electricity. Best conductor are silver and copper. Silver and coppers are the good conductors of electricity. Metals are sonorous, means they produce sound when beaten. Now physical properties of non-metals. Non-metals may be solids, liquids or gases. Solids carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, etc. Liquid bromine, gases oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, etc. So non-metals can exist in all the three forms, solid, liquid and gases. Non-metals are soft except diamond, which is the hardest natural substance. Non-metals do not have luster except iodine crystals. Non-metals are not malleable, means they cannot be drawn into thin sheets. Non-metals are not ductile, they cannot be drawn into wires. Non-metals which are solids and liquids have low melting points. Non-metals which are solids and liquids have low boiling points. Non-metals are bad conductor of heat. Non-metals are bad conductors of electricity except graphite. Non-metals are not sonorous. Now we are going to start chemical properties of metals. When metals react with oxygen, they form metal oxides. When copper is heated, it combines with oxygen to form oxides. When aluminium is heated, it combines with oxygen to form aluminium oxide. So these are the two examples of metals. Means when metals react with oxygen, they form metal oxides. Now reaction with water. When metals react with water, they form metal oxides or metal hydroxides and hydrogen. So when metals react with water, they form metal oxides and hydrogen gases evolved. There are some of the examples like 2Na plus 2H2O gives out 2NaOH plus H2, means sodium when react with water it forms sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gases evolved. Reaction with acids. When metals react with dilute acids, they form salts and hydrogen. For example, magnesium plus hydrochloric acid, it gives out magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gases evolved, and magnesium chloride is the salt. Reactivity series of metals. The arrangement of metals in the decreasing order of their reactivity is called reactivity series of metal. Now this series is telling which metal is highly reactive and least reactive. Potassium is the most reactive metal and gold is the least reactive metal. Now chemical properties of non-metals. Reaction with oxygen. When non-metals react with oxygen, they form non-metallic oxides. For example, when sulfur is heated, it combines with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. See, here are some examples. They are telling you that when non-metals react with oxygen, they form non-metallic oxides. When carbon reacts with oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide. Reaction with water. Generally, non-metals do not react with water, though they may be very reactive in air. Such non-metals are stored in water. For example, phosphorus is a very reactive non-metal. It catches fire if exposed to air. To prevent the contact of phosphorus with atmospheric oxygen, it is stored in water. Basically, they are telling you that non-metals do not react with water, but some are there like phosphorus, which is highly reactive. So it is kept in the water so that it should not catch fire when it comes in contact with air. Reaction with acids. Non-metals generally do not react with acids. Reaction of metals with metal salt solution. A more reactive metal displaces a less reactive metals from its salt solution. It is also known as the displacement reaction. For example, magnesium displaces copper from copper sulfate solution. This they are telling you that metals show the displacement reactions.